Hello everyone. So in this question, we have 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. As we can see, we have only one operation here. We have done board mass or bed mass, but here we have just one operation. Whenever we have only one operation, we always follow left to right rule. So left to right you need to solve. Okay. But here in this question, I will solve first according to board mass and then I will tell you a short trick as well to do these types of questions. Okay. So here if we see, we have 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5, right? So what will I do? I will solve this part first. Okay. What is 5 divided by 5? First operation, right? And then we have 1 divided by 5 divided by 5, right? After that, what is this now? This is, we can write it as 1 by 5, right? Divided by 5. And then eventually this will become 1 by 5 multiply 1 by 5, right? And the answer is 1 by 25. But in these types of questions, we have a short trick as well. So whenever we have this kind of form, whether it is A, B or whatever, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever we have, what do we need to do? You need to apply this short trick. A, if we have A divided by A divided by A divided by A, this is what? This is A divided by A multiply A multiply A. That means if we cancel out this term, so it is actually 1 by A square. So likewise, when I have 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5, I don't need to solve anything. What do I have here? 1 by 5 square, that is 1 by 25, and this is our answer. So I hope you understood this. If you like this, do visit my channel for more such videos and you will get many short tricks, concepts and everything you will find there. Do visit and give your reviews. Thank you so much.